Hey YouTube, here we are. We're doing an update on the flex glue that we did on our bodywork for the vehicle. So if you come down over here, you'll be able to see that we did the flex glue right in here. Okay, and we've allowed it to cure for the allotted time, and I've even traveled now probably 2,000 kilometers on this, which is about 1,600 miles, and it's held the test of time. As you can see, it's quite strong. So what we're going to do now is just take the tape that was holding it on off, which is the flex tape and duct tape, and then it will be able to work all on its own. Here we are, flex tape. You're done. Oh, that is strong. Wow. Oh, flex tape. Look at that. Flex glue, I'm impressed. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and we'll see you to the next one. Thanks.